Hi everyone, this is my modified remote control. It works with a 3.7 volt lithium battery now instead of the original encased 12 volt battery. And now this battery is external and it's converted by this 3608 DC converter to 12 volt. It's a 1 amp converter, and as this remote control doesn't use a lot of current, it works perfectly here. And then the wiring just goes and is connected where the internal 12 volt battery was located, and there on top you can see the buck converter with the adjustable pot, and now it's adjusted to about 11.72 volts on the multimeter. And as you can see, the wiring is still strapped with this band, so when the remote control won't be used for some time, I just disconnect this wire, and if I go out I keep it connected. But the power consumption of this buck converter is extremely low, so it doesn't really matter if you leave it on or get it on. And besides, this lithium battery can be recharged. And this DC converter was actually cheaper than the 12 volt battery that the remote needs. Okay, let's have a closer look at the DC converter. And as you can see, the whole assembly is tightened with two cable ties. Just one horizontal one and a vertical one to keep the horizontal one in position, and also to separate the remote control and the battery, but just keeping things quite stable. And I just covered the DC converter with the same plastic that it was packaged in. Okay, now for a closer look. Okay, now the battery is separated from the remote control, and now just can remove the plastic cover from the DC converter. There you have it, the 3608. It cost about $1. Delivery included and import tax excluded. And then this capacitor was just added just in case the wiring sparks and maybe it's not so good for the remote controls electronics, just to play safe. So this side here is the input, the 3.7 volts input, and there you have the 12 volt output. And there it enters where the original internal 12 volt battery used to be. And the old battery is just used as a press for the contacts. There was the minus side is insulated, so it doesn't make contact. Just used as a spacer. It should be a good idea to find a proper spacer, but if you can find the right size. Okay, now we just have to reassemble it. otherwise we cannot exit the gate. Thanks for watching.